Hi everybody! Want to feel lighter and more energized? We're going to make a super easy detox water. It's going to be super yummy and help you on your weight loss journey. Plus, it's going to make you feel amazing from the inside out. This isn't about crazy diets. It's about simple steps to a healthier you. We're going to flush out toxins and feel fantastic. This detox water is going to be your secret weapon. Ready? Let's get started on this exciting journey together. You got this! Okay, let's make this awesome detox water. It's super easy, I promise. First, grab your favorite pitcher. It's time to get fancy. Then, fill it up with some nice, cool water. Now, for the magic touch. Slice up some lemons, cucumbers, and a bit of ginger. Pop those slices into your pitcher of water. Give it a good stir and let it chill in the fridge for a bit. That's it. See? Easy peasy. We didn't just pick those ingredients randomly, they're packed with goodness. Lemons are like a burst of sunshine, cleansing and refreshing. Cucumbers are super hydrating and help reduce bloating. And ginger? It's like a superhero for your tummy, soothing and aiding digestion. Together, they create this magical potion that not only tastes amazing, but also does wonders for your body. It's like giving your insides a spa day. This detox water is awesome, but remember, it's even better when you combine it with other healthy habits. Think of it as a team effort. Drink this delicious water throughout the day. Go for a walk in the sunshine. Make sure you're getting enough sleep. These little things make a big difference. So, are you ready to feel amazing? Try this detox water and share your experience. Take a picture and tag me on social media. I can't wait to hear about your journey.